Kuya niyan, kailangan marinig muna natin ang birthday wish ni Mami at saka ni Daddy. Okay, sir, birthday wish mo.
Pinagandaan mo. Si Jen.
Jason, hi. My birthday wish for you is to feel better and many more birthdays to come. We love you.
Okay, palakpakan naman natin si Mami. Okay, how about you, Dad? Station birthday wish.
Wow! Alam mo naman ito.
Palakpakan din natin si Daddy. Okay, ngayon naman, guys, bibilang tayo ng 1, 2, 3, and then ipa-blow na ni Kuya yung kanya candle. Okay, count. 1, 2, 3, malakas. Go! Okay, sige, Jason lang. Sige, Jason lang mag-blow. Okay, Jason, i-blow your candle.
Jason.
Blow it, blow it, blow. Blow, blow. Blow.
Okay, how about you?
Yay!
Happy birthday! Okay, so ganito, i-give natin ang birthday. Okay, sabihin nyo lang, Happy birthday, Jason!
Happy birthday, Jason!
Mahina, isa pa yung malakas!
Happy birthday, Jason!
Mahina, okay, isa pa yung pinakamalakas!
Happy birthday, Jason!
Okay, palakpakan naman natin yung my birthday. Ayan, meron tayong popper, di ba? Nasaan po yung popper? Pag nabigyan namin. Nasaan po yung popper?